Hello from a very snowy Sapporo. It's just what I would imagined it to be, just a bit colder. I've made it to after like a 24-hour travelling, I've made it to what I wanted to see, the Sapporo TV tower. I didn't expect there to be as much snow as there was. I believe in February or January, February they have a snow competition. Man, this is beautiful. It's the old typical saying that when back in Scotland, when it snows, everything grinds to a halt, but here everything's coming to life. Wow, this is cool. Oh, there appears to be like a Christmas market type of thing. Also, be careful walking on the snow and ice. I believe you can go up that. Might do that tomorrow. Man, this is amazing. I genuinely didn't expect there to be as much snow as there was. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm going to go and film another video. Welcome to Susukino. I think that's how you pronounce it. This is the entertainment area of Sapporo. This really is a vibrant city like they said it was. It's part Tokyo, part Osaka. And of course, with all the snow and ice, I've got to watch my feet. Walking back to a very cold Sapporo. It's 9:13 in the morning. I'm here at the Sapporo TV tower, and my plan is to go up, pay my 1,000 yen and go up and have a look.